Well, good morning, everyone. It's a little bit dark out. Just got off of work. Haven't done my recycling yet. So I'm doing this. Ooh. We gotta say, I was a little bit skeptical about these lights. I wasn't sure if they would work. Let's turn that light on. There, I wasn't sure if they'd work due to the plugs looked a little weird, but I do have an LED bulb here, and I did open it up, put one in just to see what it was like, and they're actually really freaking cool. It took me 4 minutes to put it in, so I'll just give you a quick rundown of how these RBF, I believe that's what they are, RBP lights go in. Right over here, you'll have two, I believe it is 8mm, maybe 10, 8mm, two 8mm bolts. Just pop those out, and then we'll be right back. So easy you can do it in the dark. Don't drop it. Oh, and I switched these out because somehow my taillight got broken. But we won't go into that. I found these on Car ID for the 17 F150 without the LEDs or the lane departure, whatever that was. It says it in there. But now you just get in here. Pop them just like that. And you'll have your two plugs. Green on the bottom, brown on top. Spin out your reverse light at this point and leave that hanging there. And you can put in your new LED. And then you just spin this out and you're out. For this, pop this one out. Spin it around until you get it to seat. Get in. And we get the brown one up top. All we did for that was just plug that in with the connector inside the housing. Got it lined up and turned it so it's all nice and sealed. And then finagle it back in. That went in way easier than the other one. And then we just put the bolts back in. Should have probably checked them make sure they work. All of that. It's pretty cool. Put that last bolt in. Just like that, they're done. How easy was that? Let me peel off. Peel off the protective coating. And well, there you have it. It took literally about 10 minutes to put them in, get the reverse lights working, and I think they look friggin' badass. I also have some things coming up for this. Oh, and for this, lots of things coming up for this one. This dirty little bitch right here. For starters, I've got some, oh, beautiful billet shock mounts for it to replace the old crappy ones. The some Viking double adjustable shocks coming for the back of it as well. Eco Beast. So yeah, some Viking double adjustable shocks, and I've ordered a set of forged one-piece nice and light 19-inch wheels for it. And over the next couple weeks, I will be totally washing it and doing a polish job on it. Clay bar, polish, sealer, and wax to get it ready for all of its new parts. So stay tuned for that. That's my daily driver, so it's always going to be a bit dirty, but no reason we can't look after it. Well, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.